Today I'm going to be talking to you about our Turbine Trolley. Turbine Trolley and its competitors. So what makes us stand apart with these respective trolleys beside me is that we're actually utilizing nylon wheels. This eliminates metal on metal contact on our cables. So one of the main factors, main benefits behind that is that we actually eliminate a lot of cable replacements over the years. So we're still actually using the same cable that we installed 18 years ago with this trolley beside me, the Rocket. So as you can see, it's utilizing urethane wheels, and that's why we've gone to nylon wheels for our smaller trolley. One of the main reasons why our trolley is a little bit more expensive than our competitors is that all of this is generally prefabricated out of country, whereas as you can see behind me, this trolley is all manufactured in-house within Canada. So with that said, we've also designed the trolley in a modular design so that we can actually replace individual parts depending on what's wearing throughout your operation. So let's say you have a bad bearing within your wheel, all we have to do is take out the circlip and then we can replace the bearing. Whereas if that were to happen on this guy, you'd probably have to replace the trolley as a whole. So I mean, one of the main reasons why we've done this is because we are operators ourselves and we recognize that things do happen within the industry and products do fail over time. So we try to mitigate our overhead costs just by being a modular system. So actually beside me here, I've got some of the parts on how it started to how it's being made. This is actually how our wheels are manufactured. We put that into the lathe behind me here, and then we can create these wheels that you see here. Throughout this body, we've got 2 wheels, 1 body, 2 side plates, as well as the 2 bearings within the wheel here, and some through axle. So every part of this product has actually been manufactured in-house. And as you can see, we've got a stock piece of aluminum that turns into our body here. Quite a beautiful piece of machinery, as you can see. For this trolley, we can actually do a 2-point or a single point, and that'll depend on how you'd like to run your operations. For us personally, I like to maintain our 2-point. And the reason for that is because you have that crossbar to hold on to, so it'll mitigate your swinging on the zip line. So to do that, what you do is you really just take out the 2 bolts here, slide that piece out, and I put these 2 slings in, and I'll show you in a later photo. With that said, it's quite an easy assembly, just like that. And then I'll go over our side plates briefly, but essentially we start with a stock just like this, and then we mill it out of the machine you see behind me here into a piece similar to this. And then the next step is we do some anodizing. So this provides the color, also some stiffening and hardening of the aluminum itself. And then from there you can see we laser engrave it. So going forward, we're going to be laser engraving barcodes so that you can actually scan them yourself. And then the idea is that you're going to be taken directly to how-to videos, how to change wheels, inserts, all of that kind of stuff, as well as the operation manuals behind it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thanks.